Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to be doing for this free bike build, trike, is I'm going to start off with this bike I got when I was like 8, a long time ago for free from my aunt. I'm just going to cut this off, and cut this off. I'm going to leave this, but I'm going to take off the tire and this and all that. So, I'll get back. Okay, so as you can see, I cut this off, and on this side, and I cut through here most of the way. It's kind of thick, so, and I'm just gonna bang this out because of can't cut it because this stupid thing's in the way. So I'm just gonna use a hammer, just like. Almost there.
A few moments later.
There we go. Don't need that for a while. So now we kind of got the basics of our trike. Now, gotta take this wheel off. And here. Yo, shut up, I'm filming! I don't care about Mr. Beast right now.
Mr. Beast got some more views.
Dude, everyone got more followers than I do.
Desmond has more.
Yeah, that seems good. Alright. So now I just gotta find the right piece. Alright, so I found the right piece. It's 11/16. And so now I'm just gonna take this off. Alright, got it. So, I'm probably not going to show you guys me doing this and take all this stuff off. So I'm pretty sure you guys can figure it all out on your own. And I think you're all fine with that. Because then you don't have to listen to me talk and be annoying. So, okay. So now, what I got is I clamped this on to my work table. And I sketched out how it will look. And so these will be the tires, and there's gonna be like a octagon type shape right here where the engine will sit on top. Then there'll be a seat that kind of leans over the engine a little bit, and then there's gonna be some foot pedals. But it's pretty lengthy, so I'm probably gonna shrink it down to like there. And so let's try this. So some metal I'm going to be using is this piece of like fencing that I had laying in my backyard, which is pretty good quality, but this is all bent up and nasty. And so I'm going to clean up this end on my angle grande. Alright, so I got one end cut. Still gotta cut it right here. But as you can see, it looks pretty good. We're working on this for like an hour. Alright, so I'm gonna be done for today, and I'll see you again in like half a second, and I'm back. So I had to move all my stuff because the sprinklers were gonna go off. So now I'm putting this in the corner. And so now that I got this piece, I'm gonna weld that on after I cut off the other end. And then I'm gonna cut off the rest. And I probably won't film that because if I don't got a tripod. Alright, so I just got done welding one of the tubes, and I started on the second part. I gotta do the underside. And yeah, so if you're using random metals, make sure they're not galvanized because they release poisonous fumes. And yeah, I think this might have been galvanized because of this is really bad. It's like vaping. And yeah. So just be careful with that. And if you're not, it's not my fault. It's your own risk. So right. So this is what I got. Basically, I just clamped this all on, and I'm gonna I'll take it all off because of this rod isn't cut yet. But I just wanted to get an idea of how it will look. And so that's kind of how it look. I can't even tell if my phone's filming because it's almost dead. The screen's like black. But yeah. I think that's pretty good for now. Well, see you later. Hey, Phoebe. What you doing there? Oh, you're a good girl. Such a good girl. And, oh, look at this. Somebody welded these on. How nice of them. I wonder who could have done that. Look, it looks like they took a flap disc and they made this fit perfectly on here. How nice. Well, let's continue. Okay guys, so I've been working on this, but I haven't really been filming it, just because of, I didn't feel like filming. And so basically, after I got this welded on, I took these and I cut them. And then I took this part, cut some angles, cut some more angles and put them on. And did that to both sides. This one's a little bit shorter, doesn't quite line up, but it doesn't matter, because there's supports anyways. But then I ran out of flux. So now I'm sad because I can't do anything except for scrape off this nastiness with a wire brush. Yeet. Okay, so I was just editing the video, which I filmed a couple months ago, and I realized I didn't film a part where I described what I was doing. So basically what I was doing at the one part was I was grinding down this rod that I got from Home Depot so that would fit into the bearings I ordered online. I didn't actually film me putting on the belt bearing. Well, I did, but I then went swimming with my phone because I'm just that smart. But the drift trike actually is finished and it works great. As a normal trike, doesn't really drift. But point is, it does work. I did finish the rear axle. It was just screwed together, but then it unscrewed on me, and that's not good. So I ended up welding it all together, and I think I'm going to release another video later showing the actual drift trike. It won't be as good a quality because I'm going to be filming it on this kind of trash camera back from 2010 or something. It won't be as good, but it'll still be okay. So yeah, that's basically what I was doing. And then I was drilling holes so I could mount it. But yeah, that's it. Funky music, funky music, funky music.